Coming up this weekend on Osiyo, Voices of the Cherokee People. She's a Cherokee National Treasure and one of the original Sequoyah Indian Weavers. We learn about the fascinating life of Cherokee elder Dorothy Ice. Plus, Will Chavez Jr. was on the very first Remember the Removal bike ride in 1984, retracing his ancestors' journey on the Trail of Tears. More than 30 years later, he makes the trip again and finds things have changed.
I did see an impact on the younger riders. It's nice to see when they pick up on it before the ride's over and they understand how important this is.
And he's a prolific Cherokee artist whose historic knowledge and skills as a technologist create a unique asset for our tribe.
We were always adapting quickly to any technologies that came out, even to this time.
How Joseph Erb works to create new legacies for the Cherokee people.
I'm Jennifer Lauren. Join me and discover the untold stories of the Cherokee people.
Check Osio.tv for showtimes in your area.